Take command of the road in the 2020 Kia Sportage. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, automatic temperature control, a power liftgate, and a blind spot monitoring system. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.